Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Civil Engineering Classes. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to use this Spline Fit command. So let's start with this tutorial. In your AutoCAD drawing sheet, if you go to this draw panel and click on this drop down, you will find this Spline Fit command here. I'll take this command. Now when I draw it, I'll specify the first point. Now when I click on this, wherever I specify these next points, my line will come at that points. A curve will come at that point. I'll say enter. Now if you click on this line, you will see these points on this line. At every point that you mention, a curve will form at that point. Now if you want to make any changes in these vertices, this point of vertices, then what you do is just move your cursor on this point and you will see these options: stretch fit point, add fit point, remove fit point. Now if you want to move this point, you take stretch fit point. Now you can move it down or take it up or take it in any direction. Similarly, if you want to move this point, take your cursor on this point, say stretch fit point and move the point. Now if you want to add some more points, then click on this add fit point and here you mention the point where you want to add your point. I'll click it here. Again, if I want to add more point, take add fit point and click it here. Again, if I want any additional points here, I'll take on this, say add fit point. Now here you'll get this point. Then the other option is remove fit point. If you don't want this point or you want to remove it, then move your cursor on this point and say remove fit point. Your point will be removed. You can remove any vertices. Just move your cursor on that and say remove fit point. But when you remove this fit point, the curve on that will be also removed. So this is how you use your Spline Fit command. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel to learn more about the AutoCAD. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.